Welcome to Abyssale, the creative automation platform designed to scale your design production. To help you master the platform and all its features, we created this Abyssale 101 playlist as your ultimate step-by-step guide. Let's jump right in. You start on the dashboard, where everything functions around projects. This is where you organize your campaigns and collaborate with your team by inviting teammates and setting up approval workflows. To create a new design, you have 4 options. Start from scratch. Browse our template library, import from Photoshop, or import from Figma. Let's enter the editor. This isn't just a standard design tool. Here, you are building an intelligent template. You define the layout and the rules, so that your design adapts automatically to any text or image, with the advantage of managing all your formats simultaneously. Here's a pro tip. Set up your brand presets in the Creative Hub. This centralizes your logos, fonts, and colors, making them instantly available in the editor. Once your design is ready, move on to generation. You can choose how to produce your assets, whether it's via a simple form, a spreadsheet, or through our API and integrations. You now understand the core workflow. To dive deeper into specific features, like the spreadsheet generation, the API, click on the other videos in this Abyssale 101 playlist. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. See you there.